What's up, my people? We're still on it. We're still talking about Fatty Airdrop. So in my previous video, I talked about how to join Fatty Airdrop, and I also explained the most important and basic thing you need to know about this very airdrop. Okay, you can go watch that video right now, which I will leave in the description of this very video. Right, check the description. You're going to see that very video. You need to watch that video first before you see this. Now, in this very video, I'm going to be talking about how to verify your account, which I didn't mention in my previous video, and I'm also going to be showing you how to complete tasks in the main task section, because in the previous video I just explained to you how to complete tasks in the daily section, right? And you're also going to be learning some important and cool things about this very airdrop, right? Like I said before, this is not an airdrop you ignore, so you want to jump into this right away. So yes, you can see anytime you refresh your browser page in this airdrop, you're going to see this very note. Now, like I said before, this airdrop has to do with daily streak. Okay, you have to take your daily streak serious, right? So first thing first, I'm just going to refresh this again, okay, and I'm going to click on skip right now, and you can see 1.5x multiplier. Okay, so this is the 7th day I have logged in consistently. You can see active now, stay until streak breaks. Okay, streak reward unlock. Now if you log in for the first day, you get a reward. You log in for the third day, you get a reward. Log in for the 7th day, you also get a reward. I'm going to show you that where you need to see that. So you can see I just earned a 1.5x multiplier and 2 card daily. So this is the 7th day I've logged in consistently. So what you need to know is that from now on, I'm going to be getting 2 cards daily for staying consistent and logging in daily. So I'm just going to click on claim multiplier right now, and you can see congrats for completed tasks plus 45 XP. So I just gained extra more 45 XP for staying active, and you can see epic right there. So you can now see that I now have 3 cards, right? So it's a 1.5x multiplier for me, right? So just like I told you in my previous video, this airdrop can reward those who stay active, right? If you stay active, you can catch up to someone who has 200, 300 referrals, right? So it's best you stay active and take this serious. Do not miss a day, or else it resets. And what I mean by it resets is that you start from day 1, so don't miss a day. You just have to come to your browser every day. Don't X out, don't close this page, come to your browser every day and just simply refresh this. This is what you need to do. Just refresh this every day and you have claimed the daily streak. Refresh this and click continue, and claim the daily streak for that day. So this is it. So I'm going to click on continue right now, and you can see I just got an extra XP right there. And now this is what you need to know. Now these are the daily task section, right? This is the mobile view, because last time I kind of explained with desktop view on mobile, but this is the mobile view right now. Okay, so this is the daily task section, and if you scroll down here, this is the main task section, right? This is basically how it works. Now before we move to the main task section, I want us to go to the daily streak section, okay, the login section. I'm going to click on this right now, and you can see the reward right here. For 3 days you get a 1.2x multiplier. For 7 days of consistent login, you get a 1.5x multiplier, which is 2 cards daily. For 30 days you get a 2x multiplier, which is 3 cards daily, and other cards you get from referrals and all that. For 60 days multiplier, you get a 3x daily, and 90 days 4x daily. So this is basically how the login streak works. You just have to stay active, make sure you don't miss a day. All right, so you can see I have 7 claimable cards right here. I'm going to explain how those 7 claimable cards came in existence, but you need to know that you need to verify your account, right? It's important you verify your account, right? So but before I show you how to verify your account, let's go to the main task section and let me show you something, because some people are finding it hard to complete the tasks in the main task section right here. So I'm just going to scroll down right now. So I'm just going to pick an easy one. So you can see right here they said follow Fatty on Medium, right? Follow Fatty on Medium. I'm going to click on this very task right here, click on complete tasks, and you can see it says click to upload or drag and drop your PNG, JPEG, or PNG or JPG, which is a JPEG file. This is simply a picture, right, or a screenshot of that very follow you carried out. So I'm going to click on visit link right now, and this is going to lead us to Medium, right? So this is Fatty Airdrop page on Medium. What you're meant to do right now is just click on follow, and you automatically follow them. So to prove that you just follow Fatty Airdrop, you just slide down your screen and look for the screenshot icon right here and screenshot your screen. Now once you screenshot your screen, you just have to go back, right? Just go back to your browser right now, and then click on click to upload, right? Just click this bar right here and then click on photos and videos. You select that very screenshot you just took right now. So I'm just going to select the screenshot, and you can see this has uploaded, right? If you want to cancel it, you can just click on this delete right here if you feel it's not okay. But once you upload the screenshot, you go ahead and click on continue, and you just have to give it some time. With time, that very tags would get verified, right? But currently it's in review, so we just have to click on see all right now. Yeah, I just clicked on the see all button right now, and this should be in the see all section. Yes, this is it right here. So it's currently in review, right? So once that task is marked as completed, you get to receive a card for it. Let me go back to the home section. You get to receive a card right here in the claimable section of your Fatty Airdrop app. All right, so for the daily tags, these are easy tags, right? Just click on visit Fatty website. I'm going to click on visit link right now. These are easy tags. Just scroll down from top to bottom and you go back, okay, and then click on continue, right? So this is also in review, okay? So this yellow icon right here signifies that this task is currently in review. So you can visit moon5labs.com. I'm going to click on it too and click on visit link, and same thing. Okay, this site is kind of hard to load, it's really large, they need to work on it. Okay, I'm just going to go back right now and click on continue, right? Sometimes if you visit those links, you might want to look around, read some things, you know. So I'm going to click on visitrunwago.com, okay, and click on visit link, and this is it. Okay, so we're just going to scroll from top to bottom. So this is a website that kind of rewards you for your daily goals like exercising, walking, running, and exercise and stuff like that. So this is what this very site is all about. I'm going to click on continue right now, and this is also in review. So if this 3 tags and the other one which I did gets completed, I would get 4 cards. Now what you need to do to check the claimable section always is to refresh your screen, right? You might not see it once you open up this very app right now, so you have to refresh your screen, right? So now let me show you how to verify your account, which is the most important thing of this very video, right? I want to show you how to verify your account right now. Right, so I'm going to click on referrals right here. Click on this referrals tab right here. If I scroll down right now, you're going to see that I have 20 referred users, right? But 7 is verified. Now you're going to be wondering why, how come? Now the reason is, for your account to be marked as verified, you need to have at least 1000 XP. I don't know if you get me. You need to have at least 1000 XP for your account to be verified, and getting this 1000 XP is really easy, right? You can see these guys right here has +1 card right here. This is to tell you that they have gotten at least 1000 XP. Why these guys right here has the pending mark right here, so they are not going to qualify as verified. So immediately you join this, make sure you come to the home section and carry out these daily tasks right here, right? In 2 days you could get 1000 XP, right? I'm going to show you how to get that 1000 XP easily. Okay, it's not guaranteed, right? It's not guaranteed, but there's a higher possibility you get 1000 XP easily in 2 days with the method I'm going to be showing you right now, right? One of them is the tax section, right? Once you complete these tags, you get cards. These 3 tags will give you 3 cards. Now you also come to the main tag section. Okay, there are other tags here. If you have this account, Discord, Fatbot account, CoinMarketCap account, Runwago app, following Runwago Medium by submitting the same screenshots, stuff like that, you also get cards for it. But you can see this very tags right here that says download Runwago app. I haven't even done it, right? But this will give you 5 cards. Now the whole idea of this very airdrop is that cards is what rewards you with the XP you get at the top right here, right? So let's click on this claimable cards right now. Let me show you how you can get 1000 XP easily. Okay, so like I told you before, I now have 1.5x multiplier. Initially, if you start this, you would get, I think, 100 XP, right? 100 XP if you decide to burn your card. But if you stay active for 3 days, I think you get 120 XP, 1.2x multiplier, which is 120 XP. But currently I now have 1.5x multiplier, which gives me 150 XP if I decide to burn this very card. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to click on burn instead of review so that you see what this is talking about. Now if I click on burn, right, if I click on burn, this is going to burn this very card. So it says, are you sure you want to burn this card? I want to take the risk and say yes, this is you playing it safe, right? if you burn this card for 150 XP, you get 150 XP. This is basically how it works. I'm going to click on continue right now. But if you click on review, right, the thing with clicking on review is that if you click on review, you stand a chance to get a rare card, legendary card, epic card, and stuffs like that, but it is not guaranteed. You might get the lowest card, which will just give you about 60 XP, and it's a loss for you because you would have gotten about 120 XP or 150 XP if you had decided to burn the card. So let me click on review right now. Let's see what this gives us, right? So let's be patient. Okay, so I got the uncommon find, which is still 150 XP, so I didn't lose this time around. But let me click on review again. Let me see what this gives me too. Oh, you can see right now I now have the common find, which is 75 XP, so it's kind of a loss. If I had decided to burn my card, I would have gotten ×2 of this. So this is just the advantage and disadvantage of this. Now let me click the review again. Let me see what this gives me. Right, it might still be the 75 or all right, guys, you can see for yourself. 300 XP with the rare find, right? 300 XP with the rare find. So this is exactly how I got 1000 XP that made my account to be marked as verified. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue right now. So this is how you continue to do it. You either review or burn your cards. The choice is yours to make. But for me, I usually do the review. The choice is just to make. You just have to do your maths, right? And you make your decision. So this is basically the update I want to bring to your notice today. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you now understand better how this works. Again, this is the task session. Just click on this task icon right here and you get to see a lot of tasks you can complete. You get to see tasks that you have done right here. For today, you can see these are tasks you have done, and you click on review, you see the task that is currently in review, right, which is one of them, which is following Fatty on Medium. Then if you come to review cards, of course it takes you directly to a cards section where you can review and or burn cards. And then the referral right here, of course, is where you get to see people you have invited, right? So if you haven't joined Fatty Airdrop, I'm going to advise you to do so, and do so quickly. Use the link in the description right now to join Fatty Airdrop, and make sure you get your 1000 XP immediately, right? Make sure you get 1000 XP immediately. You can get it on the same day. I got mine on the same day, or you can get it in 2 days time by revealing card, right? So Fatty Airdrop is a trading and sniping bot. I explained this in my previous video, and this is not something you should miss out on, right? Check the description, join right now. Okay, you just need your email and password. Just with your email and password, you hop into this very airdrop. This airdrop is still early. This is just about 8 days. It's less than 2 weeks at the time of creating this video, so take this seriously. Position early. We don't know what this might turn out to be, right? So just give it a try. You don't know what it might turn out to be tomorrow. So this is the update I decided to bring to your notice today. If you enjoyed this video, do well to leave a like, and if you have any question at all, you have anything you want to say, leave it in the comment section. If this is your first time stopping by or you haven't yet subscribed, do well to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out whenever I drop any airdrop updates, because I'm going to be dropping more in the coming days, right? So subscribe right now, turn on notifications so you don't miss out whenever I release a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.